Hi there, my name is Leon. In this video I will show you how easy it is to set up personalization within uMarketingSuite. So let's say that I'm a new visitor to uMarketingSuite.com. I have never been here before and I just start reading some content. And right now on our homepage you can see this exact header, but you will see in a while that if I start reading and consuming content, that this header will actually change based on my interest. So normally I would visit this page. I will go, for instance, to our blog section, and over there we can see multiple blog items. Let's have a look, and right now I'm interested in this one. The battle is on. It's all about A/B testing. Let's see what it's all about. I can see over here that the battle is on, ready to start. A/B test in practice, some examples on how to set up A/B testing, pretty interesting. Let's see what other blog posts they have made that may interest me. So let's go to our second overview page, and over here this one is really interesting. It's a personalized pop-up in 5 minutes. So let's read this one also. Over here I can see the pop-up popping up already. So let's have a look at this page. And it's all about creating a segment, setting up a pop-up, and how easy it is within uMarketingSuite. I think this is pretty interesting. Let's see which other pages might interest me. Over here I can see Get Started with Personalization. Let's click on it. And again, this is all about personalization, on how to set it up within uMarketingSuite, how to determine your target audiences. So I think this one is also pretty interesting. So what I've done right now is I've visited 3 pages. And when I go back to my original starting screen, the uMarketingSuite homepage, we can see that the header of this page is changed based upon the pages I have visited within uMarketingSuite. So that's pretty interesting. So let's see how we manage to personalize this content. First of all, we have to log in to Umbraco. Over here we have uMarketingSuite.com/Umbraco. This is your default login window to Umbraco. Let's log in. This is your normal content tree. Let's go back to our website, refresh the page, and over here we see some new functionalities. And of course, these functionalities will only be shown if you are able to log in to Umbraco. So it's some additional tooling for editors just to see what is uMarketingSuite actually doing on my website. And if we click on it, we will see the actual functionalities. Right now we will be focusing on personalization. And over here we see implicit tracking, where we have personas and we have journeys, but our focus will be on the persona section. What we did is we went to our blog overview, and there we started scrolling, we started searching for interesting content, and there we saw, hey, the battle is on, sounds interesting, let's read this page. And over here you can see that the persona marketer was awarded with 10 points. So how did this happen? And if we go back to our Umbraco section, then we can have a look at our blogs. Over here we have all our blogs, and if we have a look at the battle A/B testing is on, then here we have the page within Umbraco, and if you have uMarketingSuite installed, then you will get some additional uMarketingSuite content tabs. Over here we see Analytics, A/B testing, and Personalization. Let's deep dive into Personalization, and let's focus on content scoring. And over here you see that the persona marketer was manually awarded 10 points. This means that whenever a visitor reaches this page, then the 10 points will be credited. basically what we thought is that if you read this page, then you are probably a marketer. In the front end, you can see that those 10 points were awarded. Right now, if we go back to our homepage, you will still see the same header, the all-in-one marketing suite for Umbraco. We will continue reading, go to the blog section again, scroll down, went to the second page, and here we saw a personalized pop-up in 5 minutes. We started reading this page, and over here we can see, hey, marketer is being awarded with an additional 10 points, and developer is also awarded with 5 points. Over here we see a personalized pop-up in 5 minutes. This is the actual page. Again, go to personalization, content scoring, and over here we see that we awarded this page with 10 points for a marketer and 5 points for being a developer. Then we again went to the blog overview, went to the second page, and there was an item about getting started with personalization. We also read this page, and then some additional points were awarded. Let's go back to Umbraco. Over here we can see get started with personalization. Go to the personalization tab, have a look at content scoring, and yes, 10 points for being a marketer. So what we see over here is that the dotted line represents our threshold value of 25 points. The score of a marketer actually went to 30 points. So the threshold value was met, which means that your marketing suite now suggests that this visitor might be a marketer. If we go back now to our homepage, you can see that the headline is changed to a headline for marketers. So this is our default headline, the all-in-one marketing suite for Umbraco. But if we go over here, we can enter the simulation mode, and then let's have a look at different headlines we have for different type of visitors. Here is our all marketers headline. That's the one we saw just yet. The all marketing features native within Umbraco. We can stop the simulation. And we can say, let's have a look at agency visitors. So if we think that somebody is visiting our website and is coming from an actual agency, what is the headline that we serve them? This is it. Loved by digital agencies worldwide. And of course the simulation mode is there for editors to have a look at, hey, how does my website look for a specific visitor type? So really handy just to see what is happening within the website. At uMarketingSuite we said that we want to target those 4 personas. So we have a data and privacy officer, we have a developer, we have a persona called job seeker, and of course our persona marketer. But you can actually change those personas based upon your needs. So let's see. To change the personas, you will have to go to marketing, personalization, and over here you can see personas and journeys. But right now let's focus on personas. Where in personas you can have different persona groups. And here we say we have profiles, where we have our data privacy officer, our developer, the job seeker, and also our marketer. But in addition, we also have a persona group which is called companies. It's not actually a persona, but you can also use it for additional parameters that you want to take up within your segments. But let's go back to profiles. And we can simply add a new persona, which is called company owner. We can have some sort of description. Of course, he or she owns a company. We can add a color to it, and we can simply pick an image. And then we can add the persona, and right now we have a set of 5 personas. If we return to the front end and refresh the front end, we can actually see that the company owner is also added. Let's go back to the blog section. Here we have the personalized pop-up in 5 minutes. Go to personalization and content scoring. And over here we can also see we have the company owner. And we can actually start scoring this specific persona also within our content. In uMarketingSuite, we personalize content based upon segments. So let's have a look at those segments. Again, let's go to Umbraco. If you have uMarketingSuite installed, you get an additional menu item within Umbraco that's called Marketing. Let's click on it, and over here you see your default starting point of uMarketingSuite. We are looking at segments, so let's go to Personalization and let's go to Segments. Over here you can add a new segment, and here we can say we want to target marketers with multiple sessions. And over here I can tell my other colleagues or editors why am I doing this. We can actually say it's a core segment, and a core segment is a segment that will always be used within your marketing strategy. But sometimes you have campaigns running, and then you can say this is a temporary segment. But right now let's focus on the core segment. Over here we see multiple parameters, and we can also see the persona parameter. Let's click on it. And here we see the marketer persona. So yes, we want the marketer persona to be included within our segment. So let's click on it, save the parameter. And over here you can see the way our segment is being built up. We said we want to target marketers with multiple sessions. So let's say number of sessions should be more than 1. So whenever a marketer comes back, then we want this segment to apply. Let's save the parameter. And by doing so, you can actually build your segment. Segments can be used to personalize your content. So let's have a look at how you can personalize content. Let's go back to our content tree. So let's say we want a different headline for returning marketers. So let's have a look at our homepage within Umbraco. And we say we want to personalize this one. So let's go to the personalization section and say add personalized variant. Let's pick our new segment, marketer with multiple segments, marketer with multiple sessions. We have to add a name for our new variant. And we can say it's a homepage for returning marketers. I hope this one will make them convert. Add new variant. And here we see some Umbraco magic where the original variant is shown on the left and our new personalized variant is shown on the right. Over here we can personalize our title, where we can say we love returning marketers. And we actually added some markup within our content. So let's add that one also. And let's say it's great to see you again. We can say save and publish this page. And there you have it, your new personalized homepage. So let's go back to our homepage. Again, this is our default variant. And let's use the simulation mode to actually show the returning marketer content. So over here we can pick the marketer with multiple session segment, click on it, start simulation. And there you have it, our new personalized variant for returning marketers. So this is how you personalize content based on behavioral data. So somebody comes to your website, visits 1, 2, 3 pages, returns to the home page or to another page, and there we see personalized content. But sometimes we want personalization to kick in even faster. So what we can do right then is personalize based on campaigning. Let's say we have an advertisement running on some sort of website where they actually click on a banner and then go to uMarketingSuite.com. The link may look like this with some added UTM scoring, and based on the UTM scoring you will see that our website will actually pick up the specific segment and start personalizing content straight away. So there's no need to visit additional pages within uMarketingSuite.com or within your website. We can say directly, hey, let's change content based upon this segment. Right now we are entering the Black Friday Super Sale segment, where you can see that we are screaming, woohoo, it's Black Friday Super Sale, and you can actually start boosting your sales. If we go to another page within our website, let's say we go to pricing, then you can see the UTM tagging is of course removed because we are visiting another page, but the system still knows that we came from a Black Friday campaign. So over here we have a pop-up saying Black Friday discount. We still know that you are coming to our website for a specific discount, and therefore we are showing this pop-up. If we go to another page, for instance partners, then we can say, hey, let's book a Black Friday demo and get a huge discount. You only have 6 days left. So the system still knows that you came from a specific ad, clicked on it, came to our website, and your intention is, I want Black Friday discount. If we go to the book a demo session, you can actually see that the system again still knows that you came from a Black Friday advertisement, and it's stating Black Friday demos are the best. So that's it for this video, and stay tuned for more exciting videos coming up.